Ever wondered why quality management is critical in surface mount technology? It's like asking why we need a compass for a journey. In the world of SMT, quality management is that compass guiding us towards excellence and efficiency, but the path isn't always smooth. SMT professionals grapple with maintaining consistent quality and ensuring traceability. Picture a bustling factory where thousands of components are assembled every day. Keeping track of each one, ensuring it meets the required quality standards, is a Herculean task. It's like trying to find a specific star in the night sky. And that's where the need for an efficient quality management system comes in. A system that not only keeps a keen eye on every component, but also ensures that no detail, however minute, slips through the cracks. A system that makes the impossible possible. So, where does the solution to these challenges lie? The answer is AI-powered quality management system. Now, let's delve into the world of AI-powered quality management systems. Imagine a system that works tirelessly, analyzing and interpreting data in real time. This is the heart of an AI-powered quality management system, a system that uses artificial intelligence to ensure consistent quality and traceability in surface mount technology, or SMT. So, how does it work? The system collects data from every stage of the SMT process, from component placement to soldering. It examines this data under a microscopic lens, looking for patterns and anomalies. These could be anything from a misplaced component to a slight variation in solder quantity. Once these patterns are identified, the AI algorithms kick in. They analyze and interpret this data, making sense of it all. They identify potential problems and areas of inefficiency, allowing for early detection and prompt correction. The goal? To ensure consistent quality and traceability every single time. But here's the real magic. The system doesn't just stop at analysis. It's a learner, a system that constantly improves itself. It uses